Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. In today's topic, we are going to talk everything about graphic designing. So, what is a graphic designer? How to become a graphic designer in India? Graphic designer salary, career, course. Should I be a graduate or not? All these questions will be answered in today's topic. So, this video is going to be really lengthy. So, please watch till the end. You will get a lot of knowledge. All those housewives or whoever is interested in learning without getting a degree course or anything, just watch this video. You will really understand what exactly it is and how in so many different ways that graphic designing can help you. So basically, graphic design is nothing but a visual communication. Guys, if you haven't watched my last video about what is design, please go and watch it. Please check my channel. It's you will get it, and also you will get at the end of this video. Just go and watch that. So basically it's way of visual communication. Anything you weave around you, like for example, that can be a bedsheet you are sitting on. The patterns made in that bedsheet are done by a graphic designer. If you look in your phone, the icons and all, they are made by a graphic designer. Logos and all these things, because they are giving you a view and they are telling you something. Like if you want to buy this, you will put it in your basket by adding to that cart button. That is a work of graphic designer. You will understand by seeing certain icon in your phone, and you will understand, oh, this is Instagram, this is YouTube, because that is their branding is a work of graphic designer. So graphic designer being a graphic designing will help you in many different ways, even business and everything and most of the things. Okay, so even this signboard, which is not in any language, that is not written, there has not been written there, don't take a U-turn, but you will understand just by looking at that sign, you should not take a U-turn here. So this is how what simplest thing graphic designer do, but there are lots and lots of more. So that can be a making chart or graphically understanding certain things. So that can be a making your CV in a proper way so people can understand it better, or company's performance of the year, so that in your meeting people can understand it better. That can be something as simple as what you see in your TV while watching the match. So which batsman got out at what point, by that graph where you will get that wicket things, or like how many 4s and 6 were there in today's match and which all directions they went. You will get from that a visual view, right? And what you see, that editing and that ads coming side by side, is also a work of graphic design. Yes, graphic designer helps in videos, because you view from videos. Right now, presently, you're watching me on YouTube, and you know it's YouTube, and you know it's my channel because of my logo. You remember my logo, right? Hope you do, please. So logo making is a work of graphic designer. As I am a designer, I designed my logo. Okay, so if you haven't, guys, please like, share and subscribe the channel, guys. You people watch, like so many people watch my channel, but you don't even like it, guys, and you ask questions in the comment section without bothering to subscribe. Guys, this is so unfair. You get information. What's the big deal if you just subscribe to the channel and help me out, as you are taking help from me, like you are getting some information, right? That's all the request. So look around, something has written, it has certain words, that typography, that poster making is a work of graphic designer. You understand, na? This is made for kids, then this is for a hotel or a bar, this is for night. So the alphabets, these designing are done by a graphic designer. And this poster making and frame making and where exactly put, all these are works of graphic designer. Okay, so then you have this thumbnail, what I was saying, that cart button, or you understand just by looking at that button, like home button, your zoom button, your zoom in, zoom out buttons, you'll understand, because they are not this, there's no write up there like zoom this and all, but that sign will make you understand, oh, this is zoom, oh, this is add to cart. So this is the work of graphic designer. Then you have branding. Like I said, you know exactly which icon is of Facebook, which icon is of Instagram, which icon is of Pinterest. So this is branding. Then branding also comes with the user interface design presently, which is in high boom. So every business these days, every single person who has had their offline business, now they are going online. So they need a application for them, or they need a website for them. So you might be thinking, no, I don't know anything about software engineering, what will I do? But you help to make that look better, okay, so that people can easily access your app. You will make it work in that way. For example, in a certain website, how to use that particular color, what kind of font should I use, so people can understand. If I bump all the thing like a PPT format in this, that won't work, right? So you will know how to make the like how to give pictures, which pictures to add in that website. These are all the works of graphic designer, and that will help a business person a lot and lot. Even if you're doing your own, like if you know how graphic designing works, then you can make your you can take help from another person, and but you can make it look better, and so that people can easily access it. That will help in business growth. And presently this UI design, I mean user interface design, anything you see around your laptop or your phone, that is your interface. So that what you see in it is done by a user interface designer. So that he in turn is basically a graphic designer who is doing all this. Then again, the web design or a graphic design, you exactly know in which website you are in. If you're within a Google search engine, you know it because of that interface, how it looks. If you are in Netflix, you know it. If you are in Amazon, you know it. You get the blue color in Amazon, you get the red color in Netflix. They are all how the UI designers design for that particular thing, okay? How it looks different on your TV versus how it looks different on your phone, how it looks different on your the tab, how it looks different on your laptop. All these are variations, right? But they have particular solutions for that. So user interface designing has a great boom. We will be covering each of these, like branding, packaging, UI designs, web designs. Or for all this we'll be having class, like a video particularly in depth in these topics. But till that, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you are subscribing soon, I'll get motivated to do more work, and it will help me, guys. Okay, let's move. It can be making this websites and all. That can be animation, toy making. When a graphic designer, he works with different kind of other designers. Like he works with director, he will become a creative director, art director in the movie sets and all. Animation, if he learns animation, character making, there are too many different things to do in animation, and there are too many different types in animation. We'll have particular different video for animation, not one, we need many, by the way. But I'm telling you to understand what exactly happens in this, okay? So he works as a animator, and becoming an animator is can be a work of graphic designer. You will understand basics of it as you viv it, no? Then what else? You understand of filmmaking if you learn media communication and all, like this. The way you communicate through a video or video editing, these VFX, which are in high boom in film industries, okay, or advertising industry. You will get works in advertising industry because you need those animation. You work for business people, and then they need to improve their branding. You will see first time how their packaging and all from your TV advertisement only, right? Like Dove looks like that because first you had seen it on a ad on a television or something. So that's the power of like a graphic designer or a visual communicator. He knows exactly what to show you. Okay, so you will help in animating, you will help in filmmaking. and you help in branding entirely. For example, you work with this different set of designer for signboards and all this. You work with a city planner or a architect, and you know how to design that. Like, have you seen those Palika bazaars where they have exactly same type of holding? They look similar because that has been done by a graphic designer who worked with the architect. So how exactly this place should look, or certain markets they have very similar kind of thing, or certain kind of logo, like color usage in their on their shops and all in particular types of market. So these are all works. They, when they work with a city planner, they will help you to understand, you know, those metro maps, like you see exactly the purple line, red line, this pink line, okay, wherever you're staying as per your city. But that color has to do something with it, right? So these are all the things a graphic designer takes care of. And also when he works with different kind of designer, like that kind of design is called as experiential design. For example, space experiential design, they work with this exhibition sets and all, set designers, they work with them. And for basic graphics like pattern making, they will work with all these fabric designers, or these people who produce these wallpapers, you know, the currently which are in boom. Okay, I'll get a wallpaper rather than painting my wall. So they work with those. They work with laminates, like wardrobe laminates and all, or your wood laminates, the way they look and all. Okay, so these are the things they you need to you will get to work with, and you will learn amazing things. Like it's a very nice course. Okay, then you will learn this branding. I'm saying this from a long time, like making these icons, how when you click this, what you enter, how that part of it should look and all. Then you have packaging industry is in boom. Okay, it always and always will be in boom, because you know, you will understand how to package certain things. If it is in a bottle, how the packaging should be. If it is in your cream kind of stuff, how the packaging should be. If it is in a box, how that box should look like. Okay, all these things. And also packaging designer helps in making strategies. For example, in earlier India, there was not much sales, there were no much sales of your shampoos. Okay, but when a packaging designer worked with a business strategist, they came with this approach of making smaller shampoo sachets, which you will get in 50 paise and 1 rupee. So you won't bother to spend 1 rupee or 50 paise just for a sachet of shampoo, right? So you feel, okay, I can get this, so even I can buy this. Or else earlier it used to happen that only rich people used to buy those bigger bottles of the shampoo. So when they started this, they started selling the shampoos a lot. So production improved, the business improved, everything improved, sales improved. Okay, now you see the shampoo sachets on in every shop. Okay, a pharmacy shop, or a basic kirana general store, or anything. Okay, so that's the that's the power of a designer when he helps with the business strategist. Okay, if you're going to be an entrepreneur, learning a graphic designer is a great skill. Okay, so if you want to know all more about it, or how system design, service design, these kind of designs work, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Watch my older videos to understand better. Watch my upcoming videos, because they are going to have a lots and lots of information. And please subscribe to the channel. Okay, I'm telling you again and again, if you are watching till now and haven't subscribed, first go and do that, guys. Okay, let's move. See, this kind of package needs a different packaging thing. You will understand exactly which brand it is. And this kind, like for eggs you need different kind of organizers. So these are all come in packaging design. Not only this, your gift designing, because you need certain different kind of, no, if you are gifting it to someone, like your hamper, all these things come under a designer. And these gift packaging and all this have great things to do with the wedding planners. So it is like joined with all sort of every industry you look around, a graphic designer helps in it. Okay, next question, how to become a graphic designer in India? Like many people still have this question, should I do a graduation course, should I not do? So in my opinion, if you are really interested in this, if you are really want to do this, please go and join the colleges. They will give you the best things to, like, they will make you understand and make you learn in a better way, because graphic designing in India still does not has much awareness outside. Okay, if you are going to college, if you are interested in this course, really go for that. Okay, rather than your engineering, even you have 4-year course in this as well. And as I said, you will get to work in MNCs, guys, because you know that your user interface, if you choose that media communication and animation, these kind of things, you will work with a major MNC company and website developing companies. Okay, and you will earn equivalent to the engineering, I'm betting, if you are from top colleges. Just like, you know, right, how you are from, and if you are from IIT, you know your packaging going to be too much. Same is the way with if you are a graduate from NID or something. Okay, let's go for, so firstly I suggest, if you are going for college, okay, it's not like if you won't go to college you can't do that. I'm giving you both the options, just understand it. Okay, so if you are just 12th passed and think or still in 11th or 12th and watching this, please go for Bachelor of Design. The top colleges being NIDs, and I have video particularly for Bachelor of Design. And if you want one, I'll make for Masters of Design. It will be very similar. Okay, you'll understand what it is. And of course, just the what you call the specializations will be different. Okay, that's all. So just go through my older video of B Design that will pop up in the end screen. Please watch it till the end. You will still get lots of things to learn here. So do BDes or MDes. If you get NID, no, it's like getting a IIT, and even IIT colleges have Bachelor of Design. Just go through my B Design top colleges video, you will get it all. Okay, then Bachelor in Fine Arts or Master in Fine Arts, and all my engineer friends. Okay, please, if you are thinking of MTech, no, just understand about what is Masters in Design and how it works. If you can do that, it's a better opportunity if you are interested in creative fields. Okay, then there is Bachelor of Fine Arts and Master of Fine Arts. It's so many specialization in media communication, in animation, in graphics and animation, visual communication. There's so many specializations out there. Please watch my video of Bachelor of Fine Arts, its specializations. I will, if you want, I can do one for MFA also, but BFA and MFA, it almost goes the same, just it's a master grad diploma, it's a master degree course, it's a bachelor degree course. Very, like, there's no much difference in it, but you can, if you want, let me know in the comment section. And before commenting, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. The next one is, of course, the diploma. There are 6 months diploma, there are 1 year diploma. Then, okay, there is one more thing. There is BSc in media communication. Okay, you have to do the you can do BSc in media communication and become a graphic designer. You will understand like those VFX things, the film making, animation making, all this will help you in media communication. Okay, and diploma, guys, there are many people or there are many institutes, they'll just say, oh, we'll teach you Photoshop, we'll teach you Illustrator, or we'll teach you certain tools. These are just tools for a graphic designer. or will teach you VFX and you will be a graphic designer. No, you will be a video editor or something. But before jumping, no, just understand, like, these are the tools. By learning a Photoshop, by learning a Illustrator, or by learning a InDesign, these are top tools of a graphic designer. So you won't become a graphic designer, they are just tools. It's like knowing by just learning a PPT, making a PowerPoint doesn't make you any degree holder, right? Like, in the same way, just by knowing Photoshop or Illustrator or InDesign doesn't make you a graphic designer. Just be clear about this, okay? So it's just like understanding how the things work and what exactly you should put. It's just like general knowledge, okay? I'm not saying, okay, let's move to the next one. So this is like, okay, this is, we almost came to the end, but still this slide is going to be there for longer time, okay? Please hold with me, okay? So should I do a degree? Degree is compulsory. You said these many courses. No, it's not compulsory. See, in my sense, graphic design is something like just like cooking, okay? You have chefs for that. But do you say only chefs can cook? No, right? Your mom cooks and she cooks really well. Even you guys are learning to cook nowadays. And if you're a housewife, of course, you guys earlier, that was not that great, but now you can make, you are like king of the kitchen. Okay, so queen of the kitchen, or anyway, okay. So it's just like that, like experience will make you a better designer. If it's degree, if you really want to, like chefs prepare the best foods because they are well trained in it, like they are literally well trained in it. Just like that, if you are a degree holder and you have trained well yourself in it, you will be awesome. But there are your housewives and great cooks over there, your moms, your aunts, and you yourself, if you are interested in cooking, you keep on practicing it, right? Same will happen with this being a designer. If you keep on practicing by yourself, learn from others, learn from videos, or learn from these tiny courses, you will just, but the thing is that you need to keep on improving yourself, you need to keep on working yourself. And for jobs, you will get works in MNCs and all. If you are a UI designer, you will work with creative directors, art directors, you will work with interior design. There are so many options for jobs, okay? Just open Google and search like jobs in any 2-tier city, 3-tier cities as well. Definitely you will be having too many jobs in these big cities, like metro cities. But if you search jobs for graphic designer, they will pop up 100, and most of them will be asking, we require a web designer, graphic designer, we require a UI designer, like this kind of things, okay? This is in high boom because you will work with a software developer and you will make them understand to make brand identity, branding, and these interface designs, okay? So starting for a non-graduate, getting a first job might be difficult, but try to maintain a portfolio. So portfolio, I mean the way you present your practiced work in a PDF or something. Just keep a track of all of them, make it look very presentable. Like okay, we'll do a video on portfolio as well. I'm promising you so many things, but you should promise I should get too many likes for this video, too many subscribers, and please share this video. Then if I grow fast, I'll make video fast, okay? That just booms my energy, okay? So we'll make separate class on portfolio design and all. So then you can work as a freelancer, okay? Freelancer, you have sites where designers work, like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com. They have huge requirement of designers, but you should be good at it, okay? It's not that simple, like anybody can go and if you can just give something, no, that's not going to happen. You just need, work on it, you will understand. It's as simple as cooking. It's just you need time for practice. You just need to practice it. So this is all about it. So if anything has left, or if you want to know basics of like graphic design, if you want me to make a video on that, please let me know in the comment section. I know this was a huge video, but it also gave you many information, right? Hopefully. So please like, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. And the videos which you are getting in the pop-ups, please go and watch them. If you want to do particular degree, or if you want to know what is design and all, please check my channel. Please watch the videos and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Stay safe.